white to just the feather. It work different from other crapula. This one work different from other crapula like that. This one works to patronize you. People want to do things that will make dove meat. Buy dove meat, just cook it with this native maggi, the locust beans, right? Cook it with native maggi and salt only. Put on it and eat it. It helps people to, it makes people to have good feelings towards you. Like
I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
okay, in this video I will be teaching you how to do a very powerful crapula. It was a crapula and also work as an attraction. Okay, so if you are a business person and you need an attraction, okay, you should definitely do this one. This one works different from other crapula. Now the reason why I say this one works different from other crapula is that this one works in form of love. You know, when people love you, people want to patronize you, people want to do things that will make you to be happy. So this one make people to love you, to please you. That is why I say this one is different. Other crapula will just like draw people to you, but this one will make anytime anybody see your product, that person will have that feeling. Let me patronize this person. I think it's good. It's a good thing for me to patronize this person. Or if somebody just see your shop, especially if you are staying in that shop, not in the shop that you just stay, anywhere you are at all, even if you move from your own place go to another person's shop, as long as you are in that person's shop, because of you they will patronize that person. So because this one is definitely going to be on your body, it's not the one you are saying you are going to bury or keep in your shop. Okay, this one will definitely be on your body. Now the items you are going to need for this is, you need a dove, white dove, just the feather. You can buy dove, you can kill it, you can eat the dove, you can eat the meat. The meat is very, very good. If you can cook dove meat, buy dove meat, just cook it with this native maggi, the locust beans, right? Cook it with native maggi and salt only. Put on it and eat it. It helps people to, it makes people to have good feelings towards you. Like anytime somebody see you, that person will have good feelings towards you. The person will just feel happy towards you. So that's what pigeon meat does. Okay. Now this one is just the feather you are going to need. Get the feather of white pigeon. After you have gotten the feather, then you get, so you get, right. So after that one, you are, after you have gotten the white the feather of the white pigeon, then you are going to need bisu sudan. So if you don't know bisu sudan, you can actually google bisu sudan, or google it, bisu sudan. Then you will see it. It has a woman picture on it, which with the breast open. Okay, after you have gotten this, now that white pigeon dove, make sure you, the white pigeon, gather all the feather from it, gather as much as you can. Now use scissors, something like scissors, to pieces it, or get a mortar. And if you are going to use a mortar for this, try as much as you can to get a mortar that is not being used for another thing, because we don't want any other ingredients to miss this. Okay, so even if you have used that mortar to pad every other thing before, get sponge and soap to wash that mortar very well, so that the mortar will be 100% clean. Now pad this in the feeder, or better if you can get something like scissors, you chop it small 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 small. Then you put it in a white rubber, like a white bowl. Now this white bowl, you are going to put it, before you put it inside that white bowl, because you don't know the hands that must have touched that bowl. You don't know, maybe somebody must have had it and the person used that same hand to touch that bowl without washing his or her hand. So in order to cleanse that bowl, first of all you are going to like put salt inside. If you buy white bowl, right, put salt inside the white bowl, then put water, use that salt to rinse the white bowl you have gotten, any white rubber, any white plastic rubber. Okay, so you raise it, dry it, then you will now pour this I'm not old, I'm doing like an old man. Then you now pour this feather of a pigeon or dove, white dove on it, the ones you have chopped, you chop them inside, or you powder everything and put them. Then you will now mix it with that base so that the bottle, you pour the whole bottle on it. Remember that normal size bottle. then you keep it. Now, the best day to do this particular one is Friday. You can do it either Friday or Wednesday, but my favorite day is Friday. Do it on Friday. If you've watched this video so far, do wait to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important video from me. Now, anytime you want to go to your business place, at least you can be doing it every day. But if you cannot do it every day, at least do it 2 to 3 times in a week. 2 to 3 times in a week, but especially if it's every day. Anytime you want to go to your workplace, like early in the morning, around that kind of 5 in the morning, okay? So you fetch from that. Remember the mixture of the dough feather and the bistro soda you have mixed together in that white bowl. To be on that white bowl, you will not cover it. Just keep it in a place, okay? And if you're a woman, do not touch it when you're on your period, okay? When you're on your period, don't touch it. So just fetch little one from it. Make a charcoal fire, like get charcoal, make that fire, then just fetch small one of it, put it on top of the fire. So as the smoke is coming, just get something like rubber to what, to cover yourself, let the smoke be coming to your body. And meanwhile, you can leave your head outside, or you get nose mask to cover your nose while you face it, so that the smoke also can also what, come to your face. That's you will be burning it as incense, just like the way you burn incense, right? That's how you will be burning this one. This one work as a very powerful attraction, and they work as a very powerful crowd puller. This is the particular one that all those women in the north, they use it a lot. As I say, all those, their allergy will be buy cars for them, doing a lot for them. It works very well, and I'm just giving it to free. And if I tell you how much people do pay me to do this for them, you will not believe. But as it's coming to you free now, you will not still like the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Now, you get this now, right? The day you can prepare this is either Wednesday or Friday. Now, so after you have, you understand, Abi? Just you can do it either Wednesday or Friday. If you should do it on Wednesday, it will work more of cloud pulling compared to love. There will be love there, but it's like the cloud pulling will like be like 100%, while the love will be like 75 to 80%. But if you should do it on Friday, the cloud pulling will be like 70 to 80%, while the love will be like 100%. So that is how it works, depending on the day you do it. I made a video on my channel here. I said different days with different spiritual work, of which I make mention of the day Saturday, Tuesday, the day you should do back to sender, which is Saturday, days to do revenge work, which is Tuesday, days to do progress work, which is Wednesday, to pray for success, that of love, which is Friday, Thursday, and the rest. I made a video on that, so you can check my channel to watch that. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group where I normally do prophecy words in the white, I preach your dreams, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely add you to my WhatsApp group. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Be see you always cares.